I have a LX277 bag mower. I have no fire to the spark plugs. Why?
Hello, I'm PopDaddy, and I want to assist you in your DIY project. Let's figure out your challenge today. How did you test your spark plugs for a spark to determine no spark?
Pull the cap off of the spark plug, held next to plug and hit the starter.
Can I get an engine model, type and serial hash?
I have to go get it. I will be back in about 20 minutes.
Okay, if there is a low urgency on this, I have some errands to run also. I'll chat with you later. PopDaddy 41082.91019864558.
Here is what I could find. 17 horsepower Vitwin Kawasaki product identification number MOL277 FO21877E/NO F4500 VI 86689 code FH500 VSI.
Is that the engine number taken from the engine and not the chassis?
The engine number and the code number came from the engine. Same tag. The product identification number came from the chassis. I never said it was a John Deere LX277 bag mower. Could it have anything to do with the safety wiring? I checked the seat wiring and all seems to be fine. The mower engagers seem to work properly.
I'm going to opt out and allow another expert to assist you. Please don't reply to me, as that will tie me to your question again. Thank you for using JustAnswer. Welcome to JustAnswer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. This engine has two separate coils with a single kill wire harness which splits off and goes to both of the coils. Locate this kill wire and unplug it and check for spark. With two coils, it is unlikely that both have failed. If you have spark, plug the kill wire back up, locate the oil pressure switch and unplug it, and check for spark again. The oil pressure switch could be grounding out the spark. If the oil pressure switch makes no difference, plug it back up and follow the kill wire from the coils back to the key switch. Wire can be shorted out, or the key switch can be grounding out the spark. Let me know what you find. Thank you.
I unplugged the wires from the coils, no spark, unplugged the wire to the oil pressure switch, no spark, unplugged both, no spark. There is a short in the key switch, I cannot find it. It does turn over but no spark.
You unplug the individual wires from the coils? And no spark, with plug grounded to metal. From all I know, one or both coils should have sparked. That would say both coils are bad. Not a likely scenario. How did all this start? When did unit last run? Only other circuitry is in the ignition module, and it should not affect the coils.
The mower ran about 2 weeks ago. I backed it into the shed and turned it off. Next day it would not start.
How are you checking for spark? I have to ask.
Holding the cap close to the spark plug and hitting the starter.
Better to pull the spark plug and attach the spark plug wire, ground the plug to clean metal, and observe the plug tip for spark.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.